Basically, mostly we are using this person. It's named passive interface. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Mostly network engineer will ask, sir, why we use passive interface and which scenario we are using passive interface. For if someone say, I don't want to share any hello message. Yes or
Okay.
no? If
Yeah.
I don't want to share any parameter details. Which one? Parameter details.
Parameter detail.
If someone say, I don't want to share my ES information. Yes or no? So that is the
Yeah.
reason we are using which one scenario? Passive interface.
Passive interface. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, it is using as a part of security.
Yeah, part of security you can say.
Okay.
And sometimes we are also saying uh, bandwidth issue also resolved.
Okay.
How to resolve bandwidth issue? For example,
Because it will not share the hello message.
basically if you are having a router and this router enable EIGRP on which one interface 0 by 1. So basically via this interface, a router every 5 seconds send which one message? Hello message.
Hello message.
But this link bandwidth is 1 GB. So every 5 seconds hello message will transmit now. So
Yeah.
we utilize some bandwidth, we utilize some CPU of router. So that is the reason we are using which one?
Okay.
Passive interface.
Passive interface. Okay.
Okay, Sarath, before doing any other topic, can you please tell me about the RIP? RIP, how many types issue in RIP protocol? If someone asking, a RIP protocol only
Yeah, we
issue.
have CPU utilization.
First issue is which one?
CPU utilization we can say.
How to get CPU utilization, high or low?
Because for each one that it will send the packet, right? It will send the update.
In this RIP protocol, it's a periodic update every 30 seconds.
Yeah.
That is the reason we are getting a CPU utilization will be high. And we are also getting which one issue?
Bandwidth issue.
Okay. Any other issue, Sarath?
Yeah, we cannot that specify the net the particular interface. Instead of that one, we are mentioning the network, right?
Okay. Any
Means
other?
that
Any other?
subnet mask we cannot read.
Any other option? Issue.
It is slow convergence. Yeah, it will take time to.
Slow convergence. Okay. Okay. Fourth number issue. Which one?
Then what else?
I think hope count in data center.
Yeah, hope count. Yeah.
All will be deployed. No. Fifth
No.
issue. Which one?
Yeah, UDP base.
UDP base. Yes or no? Okay. So this thing is clear. Any issue?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Now, sir, I'm asking very small question. Router 1 connected with router 2, connected with router 3, and router 1 having 10.1.1.1/24. Loopback number is 1. Which one? Loopback number?
Loopback 1.
Okay, router 3 say, brother, I'm having 10.2.2.2/24 loopback.
Yeah.
If I'm using, brother, RIP protocol, so from this side to this side, communication is possible.
Yeah, if you are using that RIP protocol, the communication is possible.
Okay. Okay, no. If I'm asking this side to this side, possible, I think you can say. Okay, if I'm saying
possible.
from R2 to R1 only, then communication possible.
R2 to R1 also possible. Because when we advertise means actually that the.
Okay, no worry. If you say possible, so I will show you something. Hold on. Now verify. If you are running RIP protocol default version, which one version?
Default version.
Default version. Default version use auto summary concept.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So whenever R1 sharing updates this network on R2. So R2 install inside the routing table inside the routing
Routing
table,
table.
R root 10 dot auto summary means classful or classless.
It is classful.
So which class address we are sending inside update? Class A. Class A only one octet fix and remaining 3 octet.
10 0 dot 0 dot.
Clear? AD value is 120. Hope count is 1 via which one
1.
router? R1.
R1.
Okay. If R3 sharing this network information, then router 2 again
10
receive root.
10 dot 1. It will conflict.
So from R2 to this side, communication possible, brother?
No.
No. So in this case, default version, communication possible? No.
No.
We are running version 1. So possible? No. If
No.
we are running version 2, then possible. How? Go to R1 and say
No auto summary.
auto
Summary.
Then.
And then it will advertise the interface. Means that actual network.
Individual routes 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot
1 dot
0. And we are getting subnet masses
10
slash 24. And again we are getting at this side also. Which one network? 10 dot 2 dot 2 dot 0 slash
24.
Clear? So always first verify the concepts. Clear? This thing is clear? Now.
Yeah.
Now we discuss which one protocol?
EIGRP.
EIGRP. EIGRP means basically
Enhanced Interior Gate Network.
enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Okay, RIP call distance vector or advanced?
It is distance vector only. This is
only
advanced.
hope count work. Yes or no? Distance means how many far away and how many hope count away. So basically EIGRP called
Advanced
distance
vector
routing protocol. Okay, one more thing. It's a TCP based protocol, UDP based. EIGRP
TCP, right?
use RTP. RTP means reliable transfer protocol. It's on protocol. Its name RTP. Okay. On layer 3, EIGRP. EIGRP use on layer 3 protocol number. Which one? 88.
88.
Clear? So basically, if someone asking how EIGRP packet will verify, so we are getting layer 2, then bind with layer 3, then combined with which one information? EIGRP. So if someone say how to know my upper layer is EIGRP. So inside layer 3, we are getting a protocol number is which one?
88.
So that means we are using which one protocol? EIGRP. We are not using TCP or UDP. We are using only EIGRP.
RTP.
Clear? Now one more thing. EIGRP types. Basically, first is classic mode EIGRP. Which one?
Classic mode.
And second is name mode EIGRP. Clear? Which one? Name mode.
Name mode.
Okay. Classic mode EIGRP means we are using 32 bits calculation. How many bits?
32-bit calculation.
But name mode means we are using how many bits calculation?
60.
In routing table, 64-bit metric can support. In routing table, 64-bit metric can support? No.
No, right?
Only 32 bits. Clear? So how to use this 64 we discuss, no worry. Okay. Now, first we cover classic mode EIGRP. Which one, dear?
Classic mode EIGRP.
But you must know how many types EIGRP available. So we learn only classic mode EIGRP. Now start EIGRP theory. So we are basically EIGRP AD value. We are getting a two types. We are getting AD 90, AD 170. Clear? Okay. EIGRP route codes. We are getting a two types code. One is my internal, other one is
External.
internal means only D and external means D star EX. Okay.
Okay.
Now, EIGRP. EIGRP use multicast IP address. Which one? 224.0.0.10. Because 9 is for RIP, na?
Yeah.
EIGRP. EIGRP use timers. How many timers? We are getting a two types of timer. One is my
Hello.
hello. Second is
Hold.
hold. Mostly student will ask, sir, what is the meaning of hello? Hello means we can say we
Keep
use
alive.
for keep alive. We use for dynamic neighbor discovery. We use for parameters check. Clear?
Parameter.
And hold time means how many second wait for neighbor. Why we wait neighbor? If
Neighbor goes
down. So basically always clears that hello means it's a 5 second. Hold means how many second?
15.
15 second. Okay. Now next year. EIGRP called classless routing protocol. Classless means always send subnet mask. Yeah. One more thing. Support IP, IPX, and which one technology? Appleton. Apple organization will use only EIGRP. Support which one thing, dear? Authentication. How many types authentication support? We are getting a two types. MD5 and other one is HMAC 256. Clear? Hash MAC algorithm, secure hash. Clear? Now, EIGRP. Why this marker doing this thing? EIGRP. Now, EIGRP support auto summary or which one task? Which one task, Sarath?
Manual summarization.
Clear? Auto summary and manual summarization.
Summarization.
Now, One more thing we discuss about the EIGRP. EIGRP support maximum path. Maximum means best path. Maximum means best route install. How many? By default?
4.
Okay. Now one more thing we can say. One second. EIGRP. Why this mother doing this thing? One second, installing again.
Oh. Now it is open standard. It is not proprietary for Cisco, right?
No, it's not a Cisco proprietary. Now it's open standard.
But I never seen any of the devices on EIGRP.
Yeah, because if
So
you're having
far.
a license, valid license, then it will support.
Then only.
One second, because this one is getting issue. Okay, now it's okay. EIGR. So basically, maximum path, how many support? Only 4.
4.
Okay, one more thing support EIGRP. EIGRP support which one task?
Load balancing.
Load balancing. But load balancing, we are getting a 2 types. One is my equal cost. Another is
Unequal cost.
Unequal cost. Clear? Now one more thing. EIGRP use variance. Which one? Variance.
Variance.
For unequal cost load balancing. Clear? And one more thing, always remember, by default, variance value is how many? 1. And variance always multiply with my which one value? FD value. Variance value always multiply by my FD value. Clear? Always. Now one more thing. EIGRP. EIGRP states available. We are getting a 2 state. One is my pending. Another one is which one is state? Full state.
Full.
One more thing. EIGRP. EIGRP can form which one thing, dear? Neighborship. We are getting a 2 types of neighborship. One is my static. Another one is
dynamic.
Very good. EIGRP. EIGRP, we can say one more key point we can write down in EIGRP. This scenario very important in EIGRP. Basically, EIGRP use
dual algorithm.
Dual algorithm. If someone asking dual means diffusion, update, algorithm. Clear? Now one more thing. Sir, if someone asking rip maintain, which one thing? Database or any other information? Rep maintain which one? I think we discussed na, rep maintain which one information? Database information. Yes or no?
Database.
Yeah, inside database rep is store network information. Yes or no? Okay,
Yeah.
now one more key point. One more key point you can write down. EIGRP maintain. Which one thing maintain?
Tables.
Tables. Any idea how many types table, Sir? I think you already learned na EIGRP. How many tables in EIGRP, dear? Any idea?
No.
EIGRP maintain 4 tables.
Mhm.
In a book, you are getting only 3 tables. Clear?
Mhm.
First table name is
Routing table.
routing table. Second table name is
Neighbor table.
third table name is
EIGRP topology of
fourth table name is EIGRP.
topology change.
Which one table? All links table. Clear? So routing, neighbor, topology and topology, all links table. Any doubt?
All links to no.
Okay, now next point. EIGRP. In EIGRP, we are using some messages.
Messages.
First message is hello message. Second is
Update.
update. Third message is
Query.
fourth message name is
Reply.
fifth message name is
Acknowledge.
okay.
Hello. Update. Query. Reply.
Yeah, inside update message, we are getting 3 brothers. We are getting which one update here?
Null update. Full update. Then partial hack.
Clear? Now,
Hmm.
next point, EIGRP. EIGRP. Okay, before metric, we can discuss one more thing. EIGRP hope count. This one is classic, not a name mode. Okay.
Yeah.
How many by default?
100.
100. One more thing. EIGRP. EIGRP metric. Any idea what is the meaning of metric? Metric means
The same
how to
protocol.
get,
How to resell? Yeah.
how to get
Best part.
best pass. So EIGRP metric. This one is by default use link bandwidth and which one information?
Delay.
Delay. Clear? Now EIGRP. In EIGRP we are getting which one values?
K values.
We are getting K1, K2, K3, K4, K5. How many K values we are getting?
5 K values. What is mean by this one? K value?
Huh?
What is mean by this K value?
We discussed step by step.
Okay.
We are getting which one information?
Metric weight.
Metric weight. Clear? Okay. EIGRP. EIGRP use formulas to get
Bus path.
cost from your K values. So bandwidth formula is very simple. It's a shortcut formula. You can use big formula also. But this one is my formula, 10 power 7 upon least bandwidth, and multiply by which one value?
256.
And delay is separate formula. Which one? Total delay upon which one value? 10 multiply by which one value?
256.
Clear? Now one more thing. Okay, slide is complete. Hold on. Increase. Okay, already increased. EIGRP again. EIG. Now we discuss EIGRP concept of which one number?
Autonomous number.
Yeah, AS number. AS number means autonomous system number. Sarath, if you have any idea what is the meaning of AS number, why we use why?
Basically, it will represent ISPs, right? Means for that network group we can.
Yeah. And any idea about AS? Any other idea?
No.
No. Okay. Basically, AS number assign router interfaces for EIGRP. Clear? AS number will define group info. Which one information?
Group information.
Group info. One more thing. AS number available in which one format? Numerical values.
Values.
AS number size, how many bits?
16 bit.
That means how many bytes?
2.
Okay. If we are using a formula 2 power 16, so we are getting a value is 65536. But valid AS number start from 1 until go to 65535.
5.
Okay. Now we are getting some private AS. Give me 1 second. Hello. Now we are getting some. Which one AS?
Public. Public.
We are getting some
Public.
reserve, and we are getting some documentation AS also. Clear? So one more thing you can write down for AS. In EIGRP, same AS device form which one thing?
Neighborship.
Neighborship. Only same AS. Okay. Now one more point we can write down for EIGRP. Basically, in EIGRP, we are getting one more scenario. It's called SIA mode. Which one mode?
SIA mode.
SIA mode. Basically, this one is very important. It's called stuck in which one mode?
Active mode.
And this stuck in active mode will get after how many second device?
180.
After 180 seconds. Any doubts, Sarath?
No.
Okay. Now,
Stuck in active mode. Okay.
yeah, stuck in active mode. It's very important. Mostly student will get confusion in stuck in active mode, but we discuss, no worry.
Okay.
Now, One more thing we can say. For EIGRP. Right now in EIGRP, we can say support wildcard bit concept. Which one concept? Wildcard bit.
Wildcard.
Okay, one more thing we can say for EIGRP. Only for EIGRP.
Yeah.
This one is only for EIGRP concept. Give me 1 second. Remember. Use P2P neighborship. Use P2M neighborship. P2M means point to
multiple.
multi-point. Clear? Okay. EIGRP. Next hope. Self feature available. Which one feature? Next hope. Self feature available in EIGRP. Available. And by default, this feature is enabled.
Okay.
One more thing. Loop prevention, 2 types. We are getting a 2 types loop. One is my control plane loop. Another one is which one plane loop?
Data plane.
Control plane loops. Any idea, Sarath? Control plane loops means whenever devices will do exchange, which one process? Update. So in update process, how to prevent loops? We are using which one person?
Yeah, split tunnel.
Split horizon rule.
Yeah.
This rule enable on your interfaces. Okay. If someone asking what is the meaning of data plane loop? Whenever user sending traffic, yes or no, via path, then we are getting a data plane. So this loop prevent by which one algorithm?
Dual.
Any issue?
No.
Okay. Now one more thing. EIGRP router types available. Which one?
Router types.
We discuss stub concept. You can say which one concept we discuss? Stub concept we discuss. One more theory. In EIGRP, which one concept we also discuss?
Passive interface.
Passive interface. Okay. Now, if you done this theory, that means very good. Now we start discuss about how to use EIGRP. Now, so I think I already cleared data sheet.
Yeah.
Now, basically we are getting a 2 routers. This one is router 1 and available with lens side. Lens side we are using example loopback 1.1.1 slash value 32. Router 1 connected with which one router?
Router 2.
Router 2. This side we are getting
and the
loopback as a LAN network 2.2.2.2 slash value 32. 0 by 0, 0 by 0.
0 by 0.
10 dot, today this mark by getting irritation. 10.1 dot 12.0 slash value how many? How many? 30. Because only 2 IP required, na?
Yeah.
This side we are running by this mark 10.1.12.1 10.1.12.2. Okay. Inside router 1 routing table, how many root install by default?
Only 2.
Only 2. 1 dot and this one
10.1
directly connected. For router 2, how many routes directly connected? This one and
2.
this one. Clear now? Okay, if I want to communicate from this LAN to this side, communication is possible without routing?
No possible.
Not possible. So we need to perform routing. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
And this one is which one topology? This one is which one topology?
P2P.
Point to point. Or we can
Point.
say this one is which one topology?
Direct.
Directly connected. Okay. Right now we are running which one protocol?
EIGRP.
EIGRP. And we are using, for example, AS number is which one?
1.
Okay. Right now first we learn how to enable. Go to router 1 and say router
EIGRP.
and then protocol. Can you please give me 1 second to hold on?
Okay, no problem.
हेलो हाँ भैया पहुंच गए आप? Hello, Sarath, can you hear me now? Okay.
Yeah, I can hear.
So go to router 1 and run which one command? Router. Router means to
Protocol.
enable routing process. Which one protocol we are enabling? EIGRP.
EIGRP.
And then define your which one number?
Autonomous number.
Yeah. So we are saying we are running EIGRP. AS number is 1. Okay. Now. Same command we are running on which one router?
Another router also. Router 2 also.
Router 2 also. Okay. So both router after this command enable routing protocol. Now we discuss how to enable EIGRP on interfaces and how to advertise. Clear? So right now, first and two. First, router 1 and router 2 will form neighborship. How to form neighborship? How many way? If I'm using which one command, Sarath?
Neighbor or network, right?
And this marker is very irritating. Neighbor and define your neighbor IP and define your on interface
number.
If you are running this command, so that means all processes
Unicast.
and unicast means 1 to
1.
Okay. If I want to form unicast neighbor, if I'm using which one command?
Network.
After network, we can define IP. We can define network address. We can define 0000 keyword also. But this process completely which one?
Multi.
Multicast means 1 to
Many.
many. Clear? Now,
Okay.
first we learn unicast neighborship. Which one neighborship first we learn?
Unicast.
Unicast, because unicast is very important. Now, so basically, if EIGRP enable on router 1, so router 1 say router it's not working. Okay, router, and we are running which one protocol? EIGRP. AS number is 1, and then after router command we are running neighbor is 10.1.12.2 on my which one interface connected? My 0/0. Okay, router to say router EIGRP 1 neighbor is 10.1.12.1 connected my interface 0/0. Okay, that means router 1 know my neighbor is R2, router 2 know my neighbor is R1. Neighbor command only no command, you can say. Which one? No command. So how to know? So this one is command. Now after neighbor command we say router 1 enable your interfaces EIGRP. So we are using which one command next? Network. So which one related network enable EIGRP on interfaces? I am saying if I am running network is 10.1.12.0, that means router 1 look up into routing table related this network, how many interfaces available. So router 1 get only one interface, this one. So in this interface, router enable which one protocol? EIGRP. Clear? And router 1 say if I'm enable EIGRP, so my neighbor already defined by you manually. Which one my neighbor? 12.2. That means whenever R1 trying to send which one message? Hello message. In hello message, we are doing two things. We are verify parameters. We are doing DND process, and we are also doing which one process? Keep alive. Okay, if you are running only single network command, that means we are doing multicast. If you are running neighbor plus network, that means unicast. Because after network command, we know which one interface enable EIGRP. And after neighbor command, we know which one is my manually configure neighbor specific. Clear? So R1 say I am sending hello. Inside hello, layer 2 information bind, then bind layer 3. So source IP is 12.1 and destination is 12.2. And then protocol number is
88.
And we are sending which one message? EIGRP
message.
Hello message.
Hello message.
Clear? This thing is clear. Only unicast process. R2 also I think same thing sent. Yes or no? Okay.
Yeah.
Parameter if match then form neighborship. Clear? Keep alive means only verify the status. Neighbor is up, neighbor is down. DND means dynamically neighbor discovery. We discuss later. But unicast is clear. Now next. Same design, but now router 1 say, brother, I'm running this command. Why this? Router EIGRP 1, and I'm running only network 10.1.12.0 and then enter. R2 say router EIGRP 1 network 10.1.12.0 and then enter. That means R1 say, brother, I am sending hello, but I am getting any neighbor command? No. I'm not defining neighbor command. That means I need to do dynamically neighbor discovery. Dynamic means automatic. Yes or no? So whenever
Yes.
hello send, so L2, MAC address, L3, we are adding a IP. Source IP is 10.1.12.1 and destination is 224.0.0.
0, 10.
We are
Multicast
sending,
data.
EIGRP hello. Okay. This hello forward on this multicast address. If R2 enable
Enable.
EIGRP on this interface, so receive only receive, not forming
Receive.
equation, receive. If receive, then R2 verify. I'm running on
Parameters.
which one command?
Network.
Network. So
Use
R2
multicast.
R2 will start sending which one message? Hello, and
Hello.
neighbor should be form. Clear?
Hmm.
Next point. In this hello, we are sending R1 say I'm sending some
Parameters.
parameters. So my first parameter is,
AX number.
second parameter is,
K value.
third parameter is
Hold.
hold time. Clear? Okay.
Hmm.
AS number, K values. Always match. Clear?
Hmm.
Hold timer can be different.
Different.
No issue. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
so AS number I am running which one? One. This side is same. No issue. K values. What is the meaning of K values? Now clear. It's very irritating today.
Hmm.
Sometime tab working good, sometimes should.
No, you are using pad, writing pad, or how you are writing?
Yeah, writing pad.
Oh, okay.
K values. So basically, K values is how many available? K1,
K2 till
K2,
5. K3,
K3,
K4,
K4,
and K5.
K5. K6 also available.
Mm-hmm.
K6. But this K6 is not in
Use.
use. Clear? Okay, now.
Hmm.
In EIGRP, first thing we are getting K values information. Then we are getting which one information? Component.
Component.
Then we are getting a which one information?
Metric weight.
Metric weight. Metric weight means 1 0 only. 1 or 0 value. 0 means on or off. Which one? It's off.
0 off. Yeah.
1 is
1
on.
on.
Okay, we can set other metric value also. No worry. If you want to set 2, so also you can use. But always clear. If change metric weight more than which one value? 1.
1.
Then calculation formula use different. Clear?
Hmm.
So very carefully verify. Now one more thing. K value K1. K1 metric K2 K3 K4
4,
and K5.
5.
Now K1 K value's name is, we are using
Bandwidth.
which one component? Bandwidth.
Bandwidth.
K2 means loading. K3 means delay.
Right.
K4 means reliability. K5 means which one information we check?
MDU size.
MTU size. Okay. Bandwidth is 1. Loading is 0. Delay is 1. Reliability is 0. MTU size is 0. Okay. What is the meaning of 1 or 0? 1 in use and K3 in use. So basically, how many K values we are using by default? How many key values we are using? How many key values on? Verify. How many key values on?
Only 2. But I didn't get the concept.
Huh?
Akshay. I didn't get the concept. K value is
Basically,
the
if
K1.
someone say what is the meaning of K1 value? K1 value means I am using bandwidth component. Only verify
Okay.
bandwidth information. K2 means
Okay. For that
reliability.
one, the metric value it is 0 or 1. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
If I want to K1 calculation, so must be enable. Na? If I am set 0, that means not in use. So
Not
how
in
many
use.
K values in use by default? How many K values in use by default?
2.
K1 and
0.
K3. Okay. Whenever in dynamic neighbor, or you can say manually neighbor, that means unicast neighborship or multicast. So parameter always forward. Yes or no? So whenever R1 forward in hello message parameter K value, so how to forward? 10100. What is the meaning of 10100? K1, K2, K3, K4, K5.
K4.
So if K value is same, then we can make neighborship. AS is same, we can make neighborship. But if AS is different, then neighborship
It will
never
not
form. Clear?
form.
Now, neighborship process is clear. Same
Okay.
design. If R1, R2 form neighborship. So basically router 1 we are running which one command last time? Router
EIGRP. Router numbers
EIGRP 1, and we are running
network.
10.1.12.0. Same command we are running on which one router?
Router 2 as well.
Router 2 also. Clear now? Okay. Now router 1 say I'm enable EIGRP this one interface and successfully form which one thing?
Neighborship.
We exchange any information? No.
No.
So basically by default directly network information exchange? No.
Yes.
EIGRP never exchange directly network information.
Information.
But router 1 say I want to advertise my this network because this network is directly connected with R2. No. R1 say I am running which one command? Network. And define your network.
1.1.
Clear? Okay. If R1 running this command, so that means R1 say I am generating which one message now?
Update.
Okay. In this update, R1 say, brother, I will do reliability check. I will do reliability check. But I am not using TCP protocol. I am using RTP. If I am using TCP, so three-way handshake. But I am using RTP. So how to exchange, how to verify reliability? So inside update, router 1 say I am sending which type of update?
Null
update. In null update, we are sending sequence number. We are sending which one number? Acknowledge number. Sequence number is 1. Acknowledge number is
0.
How to start sequence number 1? Basically, in EIGRP, whenever we are sending which one message? Hello message. Hello message. We are not getting any acknowledge for hello. That is the reason hello sequence number is 0 and acknowledge number is also 0. For hello, I am not receiving any acknowledge. But if we are starting update, so first sequence number is 1, acknowledge is 0, and null update means I am doing initializing for update exchange. Yes or no? Now, this hello message, which one router receive first? R2 router, and R2 say okay. Now I am sending also which one message? Update. But this one update means I am sending also which one update? Null update. Clear? Because I am running network 2.2. Clear? Now R2 say I am sending null update. Inside null update, sequence number is 1 and acknowledge number is 0. No, I am sending your null update acknowledge. That means 1. So this sequence means I am starting, and this acknowledge means I will accept your initialize message.
Okay,
Yeah?
initialization.
So if this null update is exchanged, that means reliable now. Yes or no?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
R1 say, brother, if null update successfully exchange. If null update successfully exchange. And this
Exchange.
update only one time. If you form neighborship, so only one time we do. Okay, now. So null update successfully performed. Now R1 say, I'm again sending which one message?
Update.
Update. But now I am sending which one update, dear?
Full update.
Full update. Full update means R1 send network information directly or indirectly? Only indirectly, because directly
Indirectly.
already available na routing table.
Yeah.
So R1 say for R2 which one network is indirectly, this one or this one? Which one?
1.loopback. 1.1.
1.1.1 lens side. So R1 say, brother, we are sitting in same years or different years?
Same as.
Same years. So R1 say, brother, I am sending which one information? Internal. Internal network is which one? 1.1.1.1 slash value is which one? 32. If this one is classless or classful? How to verify classless or classful? Very simple. Network address is which class? A, but subnet
A.
mask is which class? Class D.
Class D.
Yes or no? So basically both are same or different? Different.
So
If different,
classless.
so it's a classless. By default, in EIGRP, auto summary disable
Disable. Yeah.
above 15 dot version. Which one? 15 dot version iOS. Clear? Now. And now R1 say I'm sending one more information. Sequence number and acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
So last time which one sequence number use R1?
1.
1 na? Now R1 say
Yeah.
I'm using sequence number is 2. Acknowledge is 0. And now R2 say, brother, I'm sending acknowledge, but I'm not sending acknowledge single. I'm also sending with acknowledge which one message?
Hello.
Hello. So I'm sending sequence number is 0, but I'm acknowledge your message. Which one number acknowledge? 1 or 2? Which one?
2.
2 number. Done? Any issue?
No.
Same R2 will do. Same R2 will do. Now, if you done this task, after sometimes, which one, dear? Sir, after
Sometimes.
R1 say I'm getting a new branch connected, and this new branch address is 11.11.11.11/32. Now, so R1 say, brother, I'm also again want to send which one message?
Update.
But in RIP protocol, which type of issues we are getting? RIP always send update every how many seconds?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. And every 30 seconds inside update single route forward or multiple?
Single route. No, multiple.
Multiple. If you're having a 1000, so 1000 every time.
Yeah,
Yes or
all
no?
it will send. Yeah.
Yes. But the router one say, brother, I already done null update and full update. Now, if I'm getting a new branch, 100 or 1 or 1000, 10,000, no issue. I'm not sending full update again. I am sending
only the new update. Partial.
which one update? Partial update. In partial update, I am saying I am sending internal network. Which one? 11 dot. And sequence number is an acknowledgement. For example, sequence is 3, acknowledge is 0. So R1 send back reply means I am sending acknowledge, but acknowledge sent separately or with any other one? With acknowledge always forwarded with hello message. Clear? And this hello will carry sequence number is 0, but acknowledge number which one?
3.
That means R2 say I'm receiving your third number update process successfully. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now update process is clear. Now we discuss one more scenario. Just give me 1 minute to remove extra information. Sarath, it's clear now? Any doubts, so you can ask me, no worry.
Yeah, it is clear only, but I need to go through this video because
Yeah.
actually I got everything, but I only confusion actually the sequence number and acknowledgement number.
No worry, no worry. If you done TCP processing, are you done CCNA?
Yes.
How many years ago?
I think almost 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, that is the reason. No issue. If you go through the video, then you can get idea. No worry.
Yeah.
If you are getting any issues, so you can ping me. I will send the videos. Okay, no worry.
Okay,
CCNA
okay.
basic video. So you can verify only TCP process. Clear? Now one more thing. So R1 successfully exchange data, R2 successfully exchange data. Now
Better.
router 1 say, brother, I'm installing inside my which one table?
Routing table.
R2 say, I'm installing the root inside my which one table?
Routing table.
Okay. R1 receive which one network information from R2?
R1 it will add that the loopback 2.2.2.2.
Yeah. So both are same years. I think internal or external?
Internal.
Internal. So R1 say internal means D.
D.
And network is 2.2.2.2 slash value 32.
32.
Internal root AD value is 90.
90.
And then we are getting a which one option? Metric.
Metric.
And this route received via which one person? 10.1.12.2 on which one interface? My on interface is FA0 by 0.
Sure.
Okay, R2 say I'm also receiving D 1.1.1.1/32 90
slash metric value.
and we are getting some metric. We discuss how to calculate. And via which one router? 10.1.12.1 and which one interface we are receiving? FA0 by
0.
Okay. Okay, Sarath, can you hear me now? Yeah. So both route install inside successfully routing table. Yes or no? So communication is
Yes.
possible or not possible?
Possible.
Possible. But we are getting again confusion. Which one confusion?
Metric.
How to calculate metric in which one person scenario?
Yeah.
So it's a very simple method, Sarath. So basically EIGRP use which one metric? Any idea? EIGRP metric means which one values we are using? Which one key values we are using to get best path?
Bandwidth. Then
Bandwidth and delay, na? That means K1 and that means K3.
K3.
Yeah. So first we learn bandwidth concept. Which one concept?
Bandwidth.
Bandwidth. Okay. Bandwidth always more prefer which one? Least. Okay. It's a very simple scenario I will discuss. Router 1 connected with router 2 connected with router 3. Router 3 having a Y network on loopback. Clear? Now, router 1 install inside the routing table. Clear? Now one more thing. So R3 forward update on which one side? R2. R2 forward on R1.
R1.
Now verify. R1 say on this interface bandwidth is dear how many? 1 GB.
1 GB.
R2 say on this interface I am getting a bandwidth is how many?
100 Mbps.
R2 say I am getting a bandwidth is only how many?
100.
R3 say bandwidth is how many?
1 GB.
Okay, I will do one changes. Give me 1 second. This one is not 1 GB. This one 1 GB and this one is 10 GB. Clear? Now. So brother, whenever R3 forward update on R2 side. So in between R2 or R3, which one is least bandwidth?
100 Mbps.
Least bandwidth means in kilobits. 1 GB, how many kilobits?
It is 1024.
Very, okay.
Yeah, 1000 MB, then 00, right?
So 1 GB is how many KB?
10, not 10,000.
How many lakh? 10 lakh. Clear na?
10 lakh.
Okay. If I'm using how many? So 100 MB. Calculate. So how many kilobits?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay. In bytes, how many?
12,005. Sorry,
Yeah,
125.
Yeah. In 1 GB, if I'm saying, yeah, this one is 1 GB. Yeah, this one gigabits. 1 GB.
Ten lakh, right? Okay. 120.
Yes or no? But
Hmm.
if you're going to interface, for example, if I'm using simulator, my website, hold on, Firefox, I'm showing some output, then you can get 152. Oh, where is my 6711.15? My admin accounts. If I'm using router, clear brother? IOL. L3 C. Connect this one. We are getting a which one interface right now? Ethernet. Yes or no? If
Yes.
I'm using Cisco packet tracer, verify one more thing. In simulators, we are getting a different. Hold on. Packet tracer also verify. Hold. No. So if I'm using this one is 2911 router and this one also 2911 router. Clear? Increase the size. Yeah. Now it's done. Use cable, straight cable, connect with gig cable and connect with gigabit cable. Clear? Na? Go to switch router, CLI. If you're having a live access, so also good. Show interface gig 0/0. Verify actual bandwidth how many?
Yeah,
How
it
many
is 1
kilobits?
lakh.
How many zero? Verify.
1,
1
2,
lakh, I
3.
think 50, na?
Yeah, this
But we
10
are
lakh.
getting how many zero?
60.
60. Clear? If I'm using switch, so I think switch having a fast Ethernet. Yes or no? Connect switch to router. Now go to switch, CLI. Wait. Enable show interface FA 0/1. So how many kilobits now?
Now 1 lakh.
Clear? So basically in kilobits we can calculate. So 100 MB is lowest. Yes or no? But
Yeah.
EIGRP K values, I will show you some short theory. Bandwidth means it's the amount of data that can be transferred over a link. Yes or no? Now, give me 1 second. Where is my Cisco EIGRP K values? Cisco official. Where is my? Give me 1 second. Cisco EIGRP. This one. I will show you some details. Read this line.
The smallest bandwidth between the source and destination. Bandwidth.
The smallest bandwidth source and
Mhm.
destination. Okay. Right now, this one is my scenario. So whenever
Yeah.
R3 forwarding update on R2 side, so R2 receiving is how many MB?
100.
100. But sending is which one?
1 GB.
1 GB. So which one use?
100
1 GB.
Mbps.
100 MB is least. But right now in my scenario, 1 GB is better or 100?
1 GB is better.
Yeah, that is the reason R2 will use which one is speed? 1
1
GB.
GB.
Now in this scenario, break the rule. Whenever R2 forward update on R1 side, so receiving interface how many speed?
1 GB.
But sending is 10 GB.
10 GB.
10 GB. So which one is best? 10 GB na?
10 GB is best.
Always clear. Sending interface, never check which one information? Bandwidth. Always check which one information?
Receiving.
So R1 say if I want to reach R3 side, so bandwidth is which one we are using?
1
1
GB.
GB. Okay. If I am saying 1 GB bandwidth, delay is how many seconds? 10 seconds.
10
10
seconds.
GB bandwidth, delay is how many seconds? 5
5
seconds.
seconds.
100 MB delay is how many seconds? 40.
40 seconds.
1 GB delay is how many seconds?
10 seconds.
Now we learn delay calculation. Delay is always total.
Total.
Okay. Whenever R3 forward update on R2 side. So whenever R2
total.
receiving the update, so receiving update time, delay is on my interface
40.
Whenever R2 forward this update R1 side, so R1 receiving interface delay is
10.
so 40 plus 10 means R1 say if I want to reach, so how many total delay?
50. Only receiving we will calculate, the sending
Yeah,
it will
only
not
receiving,
consider.
sending never calculate. Clear? Now see the scenario. R1, R2. Now,
But in the actual scenario, this one, if you are connecting that to 10G and 100, that 1G and 100, so it will auto negotiate and it will set that same speed in that sending interface as well, right?
yes. Now, we are using this side 100 MB, this side 1 GB, this side 10 MB, this side 1 GB. Now, R5 having a Y network. Can you please tell me if I want to reach R5 side via up this link? So which one is bandwidth we are using?
Bandwidth is 1 GB it will use and 1 GB it will.
Which one?
Okay.
1 GB? Yes or no? No.
Yeah.
If I am saying this side 10 GB, 1 GB, 100 MB, 10 MB, 10 MB, 1 GB. From my this side, which one bandwidth we are using?
From this side, it is receiving 1 GB, 10 MB, then 1 GB.
Which one?
1 GB.
Okay. In between 1, in between 1, in between 1 to 10, which one is least? 1. Only least.
10
Clear?
GB.
Now, delay. This one is 10-second delay, 5-second delay, 100-second delay, and 10-second delay. From upper link, how many delay total?
So total 5 plus 10, 15.
How many?
15, right? That 5,
Again, very
the
fast.
receiving interface R2.
R2 is 100-second, 5-second,
Okay,
10-second, and 10-second.
okay. If you are sending from R1, R5 to R1, then it will be that 100 plus 10.
Very good. This one is 4-second, 10-second, 50-second, 100-second, 40-second, 10-second. From up downlink, how many delay?
So if you are sending R5 to R1, then it will be considered 40 plus 50, 90, 90 plus 4, 90.
How many?
94.
So bandwidth delay is clear now? Now,
Yeah.
if I am saying router 1 connected with which one router?
Router 2.
Last time na we are getting this type 2.2.2, but this one connected with which one interface? Low band. Clear? Now, this side bandwidth is we are using 100 MB. That means how many? 1 lakh. Clear? Delay is by default 100 seconds. So this one is same, this one is same. Clear? No issue. All right. Loopback also having an interface, yes or no? Loopback has a logical interface, but bandwidth is how many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And by default delay is how many? 1, 2, 3. For example, only this one. Now, can you please verify? Whenever R2 forward, update on R1 side. So R2 verify, okay, I'm sharing loopback network, not a LAN network. So loopback also having a bandwidth, how many? 80 lakh. But whenever
80 lakh.
R1 receiving the update, so R1 bandwidth is how many? 1 lakh. So
1 lakh.
R1 select which one bandwidth?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Very good. Any option, any idea what is the delay?
Delay, it will be the receiving. Yeah, actually. Then 100 seconds.
R2 say I am sending route. R1 say okay, I am receiving. Delay is how many? 100.
100
But
seconds.
already loopback, how many delay available? We are sending loopback network, not a physical network. It's a loopback. So loopback scenario always add loopback bandwidth, loopback delay. So
And then
loopback delay
600.
is 500 plus 100. So how many total?
600.
600. Very good. We are getting a bandwidth and delay. Yes or no? Use formula. 10 power 7 upon bandwidth is 1 lakh na. So 10 power 5. If you multiply by 10 by 10, so how many we are getting? 100 na? How many
100,
times
yeah.
10 multiply? 2 times?
100.
So how many times? 2 times na? So 10 power 2. So 100 means we can write down 10 power 2. Now one more thing. So 5, 7. So how many remaining?
Yeah.
2.
2.
Yes or
Then
no?
100 into
10 power
256.
2 remaining. So 100
25600. Yeah.
and delay is 600 powered upon 10. So how many remaining?
60.
60 multiplied by 256. Can you do use calculator and please tell me?
Yeah. The first one that 25600. Another one. Calculator 60 into 256. It means 15360.
Plus both value. And R1 say I'm installing the root. D 2.2.2.2/32, AD value 19, and we are getting a metric. How many total?
Both is 40960.
How many?
40960.
So this one is your metric. Any doubt?
Yeah, that's clear.
Clear? Okay.
Hmm.
In next session, we discuss again some topics, but we need to wind up. Okay. You need to go through the complete video. We done how many tasks? How many tasks we done? Theoretical, neighborship,
Theoretical.
allow parameters, update process,
And
metric calculation. Clear?
Hmm.
Any other doubt?
No, I will go through and compare.